Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning viewers. Welcome back to the Voice of Indonesia News with me, Vella Aulia. I'm from class 7D. News 1. In Indonesia, COVID-19 cases are on the rise. Experts cite that the Delta variant is on ration. People who are not vaccinated against COVID-19 make up the month's cases and deaths. Among fully vaccinated people, evidence shows a small minority getting breakthrough infection. In medicine, a breakthrough infection happens when a virus spreads through the barrier of vaccine copies. News 2. In parts of India, a second wave of coronavirus infection is causing the health system to fight. Overwhelming. The capital city of Delhi has the highest daily cases of infection. Hospital beds are full. Medicine and oxygen are in short supply. Burial places are running out of space. Aid from other nations but healthcare and burial workers are overwhelming. News 3. In the early 1950s, researchers found that people scored lower on intelligence test if they spoke more than one language. Research in the 1960s found the opposite. So what is it? Researchers presented their new study in February at a meeting of the American Association for the Advancement of Science. The latest evidence shows that being bilingual does not necessarily make people smarter, but researchers Alan Bierstock says it probably does make you better at certain skills. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.